everyone. Today we are going to see how JetCompose tooling preview works. For that, prerequisites are like we have to enable JetCompose using this compose flag for the build features and the core JetCompose APIs. And for tooling, we need this API UI tooling preview. Okay, let's start with the one activity where I already created one under set content theme. I had created surface and the column. So let's create one simple composable. Composable. I'm using Kotlin, so I'm using greeting is the name of the composable. So always remember, like use the camel case for the composable. Even if it is like a function, you should not start with a small letter. And I will use one text, which is a built-in composable with a value as a parameter. I'm passing hello greeting. Okay. Now I will use this composable inside this column. Now to see how this text will be displayed inside this column, how to run the application. Uh, Instead of running the application, I can see in this design view itself. So how, because we have added this tooling preview, it will provide few of the annotation like functions like preview. Just add preview. Now you can see hello greeting here in this design editor. So if I want some background, like it is not clearly visible, so I will add some background. Show background as true. If I make, it will show in the white background. Okay, next, what I want to do is instead of passing some hard-coded value, because composable means always reusable one, so I want to pass some dynamic value, name, something. Okay, instead of greeting, my purpose of this greeting function is I want to reuse this multiple times, like so once with the value greeting, um, another time with the value Android, hello Android, hello greeting, like that I want to display. So in this case, preview is not working. Why preview is not working? Because it has some parameter. So preview will not work with the composable with the parameter. So for that, what we have to do is like we have to create some uh, preview composable. So how we can create is like I will create one composable with the name greeting preview. So this will not come, it will not be attached to our and I will call this greeting inside it. So what you want to call here, I will call it here. Okay, I will remove this and it to our preview composable. Now, so it is overlapping. Why it is overlapping? So I have not this composable directly displays these two values without any layouts. For showing this layout, I will copy the column layout here. So same as in my surface view. Now you see. So you can see no hello greeting, hello Android. So usually what we'll do is like we'll use the composable for passing one dynamic values like the dynamic values might be read from like view model or from the database or from the network or from the text files. So to test some predictable values, we can use JetCompose preview. So get name, get age. So without running the application, we can modify the values. Like now it won't work. If the file has some error, preview won't work. So for example, like a name is like John, I can pass. Age is John, age is term 26 years old. So instantly you can see the changes here. So one points you should be careful, like while you are creating any reusable composable, don't keep those reusable composable inside the class scope. If you are using this greeting within non-related fragment or the activity or any other UI classes, so place this composable outside class scope or create one separate coding file. There you can keep all these composable, reusable composables, and you can use it anywhere. And or else what happens is, if you keep inside a class scope, you have to extend this activity or extend any of the fragment. So that is not good way uh, creating the composable. So composable is made for the reusable purpose only, right? So everything through the code we are doing. So now you understand how we can preview the composable with parameters. So right, like text is a built-in composable with these many parameters you can pass for that font size, font style. So all those values you can pass. It made our life easier. So if you have any further queries, please comment, put your comments. I will try to answer your queries. I'll share the detail of this composable in the description link also. Please follow on that. Okay, thank you.